Hello friends and welcome back to Virtual Happy Hour. It is Tuesday, it's gray out, the world is going to shit. And you know what I'm really missing right now? Dancing. That's right. May surprise you or it may not, but I thoroughly enjoy cutting a rug. I get all my dance moves from my father, who is known to steal the show at many a wedding, that's for sure. A dance circle just evolves wherever he goes. And, so I come by my rhythm honestly. And right about now, I could really go for grinding up on some stranger's hard cock on a dance floor. Just get right in there so hard. And you just do a little salsa hip or whatever, whatever the music calls for. I miss dancing so much that the corner of my couch is starting to look good for grinding on. My current favorite mirror dance-off song is Down by G-Eazy featuring Mulatto. The song itself is actually not that good, but the hook is fabulous for a little, working it down. Like that sort of thing. Down, 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 down as the hook goes. So highly encourage you to check it out after today's episode of Virtual Happy Hour, where we are making a white Negroni. This is inspired by the white Negroni currently on the menu at North and Navy, which I quite enjoyed the other day, and it doesn't call for sous saveur d'autrefois, which is a very hard to come by aperitif, which they have at SAQ. But I missed my window of opportunity to get it, and it's only available for the store for restaurateurs. So I can't get my hands on it. And this one, it calls for gin, Cocchi Americano Bianco. So this is a white vermouth. If you have white vermouth, you could use Lillet Blanc as an alternative, or you could do it with dry vermouth. It's just gonna be a bit more dry and less sweet because white vermouth is sort of like halfway between a dry vermouth and a sweet vermouth. Certainly more sweet than a dry would be. And then Lillet Blanc. And a bit of grapefruit juice and grapefruit zest. So, I don't know if this is the exact spec from North and Navy, but I'm taking some creative liberties. Should have done that last. This is what happens when I get distracted talking to you. 1 ounce of gin, dangerously low on all varieties of gin in my household. This is Isle of Harris. Quite delicious. Little number. 1 ounce of the Cocchi Americano. And then we're gonna deviate from our usual 1:1:1 ratio by doing 1/2 ounce of Lillet and then 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. I'm very excited about this white Negroni. I have to tell you, I've sampled it several times just for quality assurance because I care about you. Never forget. I take care. I even put on dress pants for you because I love a good dress pant moment, And so few opportunities. I need to get my other bar spoon back from my friend. I left it at her house. And this one just doesn't fit quite as nicely in my hand. Again, we are trying to go for a silky mouthfeel and some dilution. That is why we stir and don't shake spirit-forward cocktails like this. The last thing you want is a cloudy finish on any sort of Negroni unless you're a monster like Stanley Tucci. And I'll put the ice cube in first. Beautiful. And then of course we have our grapefruit zest, express, rim, tuck it in. Cheers. Lord, that is delicious. Really, truly fantastic. I hope you'll join me in making one of these white Negronis, and I'll see you as always, on Friday.